Hi, I'm Dan Gable with Shore Murphy and Associates at Casey, and this is another episode of Big Agent in a Small Town. If you're a contractor, you may be confused by the type of insurance you need to cover the property that you use in your business. There are two common types of commercial property coverage. One is commercial property, and the other is inland marine. And in some situations, you may just need one of the two coverages. In other situations, you may need both. So I'm going to give a quick explanation of what each coverage is and where they come in handy for contractors. So commercial property coverage is tied to a specific location. So think if you're a contractor, if you have, let's say, an office and shop building, that's where commercial property comes in. You would want on commercial property coverage to cover the building itself if there was any damage to it. And then you would also want coverage for what's called business personal property. So think of like office fixtures and materials. If you have a shop with machinery, those would be the things you'd want to think about. Business personal property coverage normally covers business personal property within 1,000 feet of the location. And so it's, like I said, it's really coverage just tied to that specific location. And where inland marine coverage comes in, this is where you want coverage for things like mobile equipment that you're using. So think of things like skid steers, bulldozers, just to name a couple. So the kind of equipment you're going to be using on job sites, that you want to have covered on inland marine, because inland marine will cover you whether you're at your location, in transit to a job site, or at a job site itself. Also coverage for small tools that you're going to be taking with you to job sites and things. That's best covered under inland marine as well too. And then finally, installation coverage. So that it gives you coverage for property that you're going to be installing. So if you're a heating and air contractor, or that could be furnaces or air conditioning units. If you're a carpentry contractor or cabinetry, things like that. The installation floater on the inland marine is the best coverage again, so it's going to cover you at your location, in transit, or on a job site. So if you want to review your individual situation and see what kind of property coverage is best for your contracting business, please reach out to me by phone or text at 217-932-2267 or email to Dan, D-A-N, at shoremurphycasey, SHOREMURPHYCASEY.com. Thank you.